If your trial users wants to see how Service Desk goes beyond tickets, asset discovery and inventory is one of the strongest stories to tell. SolarWinds Discovery is built to help administrators discover assets across the network and automatically update the technology inventory with the current information about the environment. What makes this especially valuable is that it brings asset management, configuration management, and service management together in the same platform. So instead of keeping the device information in one place and service activity in another, teams can connect those workflows. Let's start with how discovery works. We go to your setup and then navigate to discovery and assets. Under installation, Service Desk includes both a discovery agent and a discovery scanner. And SolarWinds recommend using both at the same time for maximum insight. The Discovery Agent runs as a service on a device and collects detailed hardware and software information from that machine. It supports Windows and Apple computers and servers, collect more than 200 plus data points, and it is especially useful for remote employee because the device can report from anywhere as long as it has internet connectivity. The Discovery Scanner is different. It uses agentless discovery to scan the network for IP connected devices, and it continuously collects information about changes in the environment. It is excellent for broad visibility, but it cannot collect software information from devices across the network the way the agent can. For trial, the easiest demo path is simple. Install the Discovery agent on one laptop and then show the result inside inventory. Now, I'm opening the discovered asset. Go to your assets and then computer. From here, I can see the device record and drill into the hardware profile. For example, this specific device discovered by an agent includes data such as CPU and other hardware properties. This is also where I can see the exact hardware configuration and installed software titles for each computer. This is where the conversation shifts from visibility to operational value. Service Desk supports linking hardware inventory information with incidents, which gives technicians more visibility into the asset context while they work a ticket. So let's say a user reports that their laptop is slow. Navigate to the related tab, click on Attach, and then select Configuration Item. Instead of starting from scratch, the technician can use Smart Suggestion to quickly see related asset or configuration items connected to the requester. If the requester already has a laptop or other device assigned to them, the service desk can surface that asset information right alongside other suggestions, giving the technician immediate context without having to hunt through inventory first. From there, technician can open the asset record, review the machine details, and confirm whether that is the device tied to the issue. And that is the real story here. Better context leads to faster triage, better decisions, and less back and forth. There are also broader inventory benefits. Asset management settings supports classification, tagging, user assignment, warranty tracking, and other lifecycle controls that help teams keep inventory clean and useful over time. Service Desk does not just help you react to tickets. It helps you understand the asset behind them. When assets, inventory, and tickets live together, technicians spend less time guessing and more time resolving. That's it for this video and see you on the next one.